This is our wireless auto alarm system. This is a wave controller, the hue. This is the repeater. This is the water sensor. First, power on the wave controller. And press twice to permit devices to join it. The light or flash. Power on the repeater. The blue light are always on. It means it joins the network. The green light flashing means this device permits other devices to join it. If it stops flash, you can press twice again and touch A, B to let the auto alarm join successfully. Same operation. Okay, joined successfully. The valve is open. You can let the water alarm. The valve or close automatically. What's more, the water sensor can match with the repeater. Press the button twice to permit the water sensor match with it. This operation you can refer to the menu. Successfully. Now we can open the valve. And let the water sensor alarm. The valve are closed automatically and the repeater or release sound and alarm. That's all.